Hey everyone, Kyle Walker here. If you love cars, fixing things, or just want to understand your vehicle better, you're in the right place. I share hands-on tips, smart driving advice, and straight-up car talk without the fluff. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around till the end. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Let's get into it.
In the last article, we discussed the different types of sockets on trailers and tow bar. In the course of studying the issue, we came to the conclusion that they can differ significantly from each other, and the only way to connect them is a matching unit. In this article, we will talk about connecting the device to the power grid, what the BSF is needed for. Many car manufacturers equip models with onboard computers. Any attempt to connect the tow bar with a trailer directly will end in complete failure. The computer will flood the hapless driver with numerous errors, not seeing the new member of the electrical circuit. The situation is remedied by a small Smart Connect device, which takes over control of the trailer. Another reason for installing a tow bar coupler is the increased load on the vehicle's standard system. The battery consumption also increases due to the need to power the trailer's lights, turn signals, and additional equipment. All this together leads to a short circuit and detonation of the entire vehicle. The unit will take over part of the load, and the short circuit will no longer be a threat. The unit will also prevent total system collapse, given the infrequent use of a trailer, except for commercial trucking trains. Driving without a trailer will cause damage to the electrical system. A fuse failure in the absence of a tow bar coordinator will result in power failure of all elements. An emergency situation will arise with expected consequences during fog or night driving. By connecting the tow bar unit, you are setting up operation of onboard equipment, control of turn signals and trailer parking lights through the saloon console, short circuit protection, possibility to control the fog lights of the towed vehicle. Signals to buy BSF are LED rear optic lamps and mention of the corresponding definitions in the car's manual. In English-speaking versions, it may be SFL or COM-bus. Reference to the need for the unit may be in the onboard computer, the option to control the external lighting. An authorized dealer may also insist on the purchase of a coordinator. Read also, what is the difference between collector and collectorless motor, their advantages and disadvantages, principle of operation. So how does the Smart Connector work? It is connected in parallel with the electrics of the car tow bar by crimping clips of high quality. The connection is made directly to the coupler and not to the trailer or tow bar socket. The other end of the BSF is connected to the car battery. The unit then reads the technical information from the onboard computer and distributes the load evenly between all contacts. What matching blocks exist? Basically, BSFs are universal. Such brands as Flat FA Pro, Bosal, or Artway work on the principle of install and use. But not all cars will appreciate such a purchase. If the designers have provided in the onboard computer the function of trailer busing, you can't do without the original block. Otherwise, the electronic block of the car will not accept the control of the light signaling equipment of the trailer. BSF with your own hands. Handy electronic workers can make such a block on their own. It is important before starting work to familiarize yourself with the instruction manual of the machine and correctly draw up the scheme. It is necessary to prepare the board for the construction of the electronic. Diodes according to the number of channels of the tow bar. Relay according to the number of diodes. Packaging for the device. Follow the steps below to assemble the matching device, placing the diodes on the board. Mounting the contact relay. Wiring according to the diagram. It may vary. Carefully pack the finished matching unit in a dielectric box. The ready-made matching unit can be connected to the vehicle's power supply. In this case, the onboard computer of the vehicle will not issue notifications about new connected devices. Its functioning will not be affected in any way by the BSF. Correct connection. It is better to entrust the installation of the BSF to an experienced specialist in a car dealership or at a service station. If you intend to carry out the installation by your own efforts, then watch video instructions. It is desirable to look for videos based on the model of the vehicle. The connection scheme of other cars of the same brand can be radically different. The basic tips are as follows. To the Smart Connector, be sure to connect the oil sensor, the starter, the onboard computer of the car, and the fuel valve of the car. Connection of the BSF is carried out directly to the car battery. It is necessary to remove the loading panels, connect the wiring. After performing all operations, check the operation of running lights, turn signals, and stop signals. The smart connector is then installed according to the manufacturer's diagram. The process is considered to be over. Read also, inertial switch of the gasoline pump, what it is, and where to look for it completion. Tow bar matching units are put not only on modern cars like BMW X5, but also on older cars. Thus, responsible drivers take care of the safety of their iron horse. The block costs pennies, and the damage from the loss can amount to a significant sum. So the choice is quite obvious. In conclusion, successfully coordinating a vehicle with a trailer requires careful planning and practice. By understanding the importance of proper hitching, mastering turning techniques, and being aware of your surroundings, you can ensure a safe and efficient towing experience. Remember to regularly check your equipment and stay within your vehicle's towing capacity. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and skilled trailer operator. Thank you for watching, and safe travels on your next adventure.